Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to Astrology with Abhilasha. Today I'm talking about Kendradhipati dosha, and when a planet making Kendradhipati dosha sits in different houses, how does it cancels your Raj Yoga, how it enhances the Raj Yoga, and what are the different effects it will give in your horoscope. So it's a research, so please kindly try and understand. So to start with, what is Kendradhipati dosha? So when a benefic is the lord of two Kendras in any ascendant or 212 to Lagna, lord of 212 to Lagna, then this dosh is there in your horoscope. So Kendradhipati dosh is there in Virgo and Gemini ascendant. Jupiter is the planet which make this dosh in Gemini and Virgo ascendant, right? Venus as a planet make this dosha in Aries and Scorpio Lagna. Mercury will make this dosh in Pisces and Sagittarius Lagna. So whenever Kendradhipati dosh is present, which is present for the ascendant of Gemini, Virgo, Aries, Scorpio, Pisces and Sagittarius, right? Whenever Kendradhipati dosha is present in your chart, I'm telling you something which is not in the normal league. It will eventually make your life easier. Ascendants which have Kendradhipati dosha will have easy success, lesser amount of effort and easy success. Or rather, if I not say success, they are born in such atmosphere, such families from which they are heavily supported, right? And ascendant who do not have Kendradhipati dosha are generally the one who have to wait for success, or who have to build their own success and own path of prosperity. That is dictum 1, which I have observed in many horoscopes, and you can do that too. So planet which is making Kendradhipati dosha, if it sits in the 7th house of the horoscope, it is very detrimental. It gives you a death-like scenario or a near-death-like scenario. Whenever planet which is making Kendradhipati dosha sits in the 7th house of the horoscope, this placement is very detrimental, and it should be remedied at all costs. Otherwise, it can land you in a situation where you feel imprisoned, unable to conceptualize, unable to actually start working on a plan you have in mind. So this is a combination which must be remedied. Kendradhipati dosha 2, I would say, planet which is making it, if it sits in Kendra, planet which is making the dosh, if it sits in the Kendra itself, it cancels all the Raj yogas in the horoscope. So whenever you see somebody cribbing that I have so many Raj yoga in my horoscope, or these astrologers told me that you have multiple horoscope, then why am I not doing that great in my life? Please check if they have Kendradhipati dosha and the planet making it sits in the Kendra house itself, which is very crucial in cancellation of all the Raj yogas. Alright, these would be the, if you know somebody who have this combination personally, you will see these were the kids who were really looked up to in the school time, that yes, they will achieve something in their life, but eventually when they graduates or when they reach the time of making a decision or carrying a job or doing a successful business, they do not do anything great which they were expected to do in their childhood or in their school age, right? So this is another thing. If planet making Kendradhipati dosha sits in 159, you will have a stroke of hard luck in one sector of your life. Let's say this planet sits in your 9th house. So you might not ever experience the true essence of a guru. You might not have the, helping hand of your father throughout your life due to some or the other reason. So wherever this planet which is making the Kendradhipati dosha sits in the 159 axis, then you have one sphere of your life which is blown away by hard luck, right? If Kendradhipati dosha making planet sits in 2-3-11, these people will be the late bloomers, people who rise after 40-44 year of age are such people who have Kendradhipati dosha planet sitting in 2nd, 3rd and 11th. So they will rise or taste the success in later years of life, that is around 40-44. If the planet which is making Kendradhipati dosha sits in 6th, 8th, 12th house, congratulations, because this is a very good placement and you will have all kind of success despite of having this dosha, because when the planet making this dosha sits in 6th, 8th or 12th, despite being a benefic, it gives really good results. So that is all about the Kendradhipati dosha. Please try these dictums in several charts and do revert back. Keep watching for such new research based tricks and techniques to check the results of a horoscope and to decode actually that in spite of having such great Raj Yoga, such great exalted planet, why does a horoscope fails to show results. So that is all. Jai Shri Ram. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.